Guys, I'm so sorry. I haven't seen you in so long. It's just ever since my school schedule came up, I haven't been able to make videos with you guys. So, to say that I'm really sorry, we're going to be making make your own Galaxy slimy gloop or glop, however you want to say it. And I've never made slime before, so this is a really fun video. And so let's just get on with it. So I'm going to open the package. Oh my gosh, it's all like a little bunch. Okay. We got one measuring cup, one little container of glue, two colored dyes. We have blue and purple, one mixing stick, one mixing spoon, sodium taborate, I have no idea, and glitter. If you're not a fan of glitter, then don't watch this. You don't need that. And instructions. If you're gonna make something, you need instructions. So, and the things that are not included are bowls and warm water. I think people say that warm water helps the slime. I don't know how to say it. Makes the slime easier to make. So, okay, follow these 4 rules. Blah blah blah. Okay, how to make the Galaxy slime glove. Fill a disposable cup with 25 milliliters, 0.845 fluid ounces of warm water. Okay. Let's see.
You just have to see what it says, 20 milliliters. Nope, don't do that. Just.
There's 25 right here. So
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna use a spoon.
Just pour it in it, huh?
I don't want to
It'll be
spill.
easy. No, it will be okay.
Yikes. Crap, I got too much. I'm doing so bad, you guys. Ah, too much. Perfect. Now I'm going to pour it. It says in water, and then put it in the bowl. And then use the provided spoon. Scoop out 1 level spoonful of sodium tetraborate. Tetraborate. I don't know. Oh crap! I need scissors. It says on the package, not for food, do not eat. Eye and skin. Enter. Avoid contact with eyes and skin directly. All right.
Don't put it on your eyes or your skin.
Why would you put it on your eyes? That's weird.
How much do you need?
I said 1 spoonful, so I'm going to.
That's not full.
I know. I know.
There you go. That is full.
And then put it into the water. Okay, I'm scared of this now because I got a tiny, 2 little pieces on my skin. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside over here. Okay, it says on the instructions, put 1 spoonful and pour it into the cup of water. Stir the solution with the plastic spoon until sodium taborate dissolves and then set aside. Okay. Stir, stir. I feel like I'm in a bakery. There's this big chunk in there.
Just keep moving. Mixing, mixing. And then
What the heck? How do you get this stuff to dissolve?
you just keep doing it.
Yikes.
Oh, you're fine. It's like a salt thingy. Just don't put it on your eyes.
Okay, we heard you.
Mm-hmm. So it's starting to get kind of funny, huh?
It's starting to dissolve a little bit, but
I just keep moving it. That's
sorry it's taking so long. I'm so slow. Slow.
it.
Like, this like being so slow reminds me of Zootopia of the sloths. They're like, nice to see you too.
Oh, you're funny.
This is
Ooh.
taking forever.
Oh, don't worry about it. Keep doing it. So what else do you need to do?
Okay, I'm getting it.
What else do you need to do?
Okay, it says fill the measuring cup with 25 milliliters again of warm water. Measure. Okay, here. Do you think that's good enough? Write in the comments if you think I'm very slow or do you think I should hurry up. Okay, another 25 milliliter of warm water. So crap, too much. Okay, I think that's. I feel like a mad scientist. Wah. Okay, put it in the bowl. Okay, it says measure and pour 16.
Don't put that on your face. Put it down.
Okay.
There you go.
It says put 16 milliliters of white glue into the second cup of warm water. So here's the glue. Ha ha! I knew it.
Now you need to put that what?
It says put in 16 milliliters, but
Uh-oh. How are you going to get it out of there?
I don't know. Just
16.
just use the stick or something to scrape it out. That's an idea. Oh crap, it's covering up the measuring thing. Now I can't even see a thing in here. There we go.
That's good.
I think that's good right here. Ah!
Stop it. Get it out of there.
And then,
You're silly, really.
and then it says
Off your face.
white glue into the second warm water. Put it in there. Stir with mixing stick until the glue is strongly mixed in. Okay, so I'll use the mixing stick. Pointy side or dull side? Doesn't matter. Pour it in the warm water, I said.
Do you put the salt in that one already? Oh, is that
It
the
didn't
way it
say
is?
to put the
Oh.
salt in there. Ah! What the heck? Okay, I think I got all of it. There's still glue in here, but
It's okay.
there we go. Okay. And then he said mix it until what?
Mix it until it's nice and soft, huh?
Stir it until the glue is strongly mixed in.
Just keep mixing until it's, you see,
Strongly
like it will look
mixed
like a
in.
milky.
It does kind of look milky already. Okay, I'm gonna keep mixing. I'm gonna read the instructions. And the second one, water, blah blah blah. Do not stir with plastic spoon as the sodium, tub, or whatever on the spoon will make the glue solution start to form. Add 1-2 drops of blue dye and stir. Okay, I think it's good.
Yeah.
Blue, 1 or 2. I'm gonna put 2.
Wait, be careful. Careful with that.
Oh, okay.
Careful with that. That's a very strong dye. You don't want it all over your body.
Okay, I'm gonna add 2. So 1, 2. Okay. Ooh, it looks like the sky. It looks like the sky. 2 drops of the blue dye and stirred until evenly mixed. It says the more drops you add, the darker the color will be. and mix in half of the glitter. Okay. Ooh, this looks perfect. Half of the glitter. Is that half? Nope.
A little more. Right there.
Right there. Perfect. Okay, need to be careful. There's glitter. Okay, then mix. Oh my gosh, it looks like a disco ball. And then slowly pour the sodium, pepper, whatever's solution into the glue solution, stirring until you get the right consistency of all the water
Keep
is
moving
absorbed.
it nicely.
Until all the water, it says mix until all the water is absorbed. So let me get I'm gonna mix this a little bit more before I put it in.
Yeah, that still have salty on it. They have
I
to be
know.
mixed. Be gentle that way you move that thing. You don't want it all over your body.
Yeah, it's not dissolving.
It's
Weird.
not dissolved yet, so you have to.
Until it's fully dissolved, I'll be back. Hi! Okay, I put it in the microwave so it's really, really hot and it dissolved pretty well. So it says slowly pour it in here, so nice and slow. Yikes, okay, pour it in kind of fast. Oh wow, it's actually turning into slime.
Just put it all over and then mix it very quick.
Oh wow.
Okay, mixing, 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 mixing.
That looks so cool, you guys. Ah! Okay, the water is getting everywhere. Gosh, I'm getting it all over myself.
You keep mixing until the hot water is absorbed by the.
I think I did it wrong because it's supposed
No,
to be.
it's perfect. It's perfect.
I said mix until the water is fully dissolved. But
Well, don't you are doing that? It will absorb all the water in it, baby. Look at that. That is awesome.
I feel like if you guys never heard of Zumba's Just Desserts, it's like this show where people make desserts and some people like do stuff like this. It's really cool. Oh, there we go. It's kind of working.
Absorb it. That is awesome. Now it's
People
ready.
say that when you make slime, when you start mixing it, it's a little liquidy at first, but then you keep mixing, and then when it starts sticking off of the bowl, then it's almost ready.
Yeah.
I just want to put my hands in
That.
it.
That is awesome.
I want to put my hands in it. Okay, I'm gonna do away with the stick, and then put my hands in it. Oh, it's sticky. Yeah, it's sticky.
There you go. It's perfect.
Oh, okay, it's sticky. It's sticky. It's actually really cool. Oh crap, where did all this water come from?
There's no water.
Right here.
Oh, that when you were pouring it in that thing.
Ah! It's cold.
That is awesome.
What else does it say? It says repeat the steps with purple dye to create purple slimy cup. Now mix the blue and purple slimy cup together and get a cool sparkly Galaxy slimy glob. Well, I don't want to do that. I like the blue just the way it is. In the comments, let me know how your slime turned out. And which kind did you get? Did you get the unicorn? Did you get the mermaid one? Did you get the glow in the dark one? Did you get the dinosaur one? Just tell me in the comments and I'll reply to you. Bye.